Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best home repair toolkits that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have BLACKDECKER BDCD-MT1206 KitC Toolkit. This kit comes with a wide variety of tools needed for home maintenance. Tools are neatly arranged in a matrix, giving this toolkit a compact size. Their Matrix Quick Connect system caters for easy access to the tools and prevents accidentally losing some items. A compact power drill is also included in the package and will come in handy for your repairs. Other tools included in the package include impact drivers, screwdrivers, sander, oscillating tool, and router. A 20-volt Li-ion battery is also included in the package and is part of the survival toolkit. During power outages, you can charge your phone or laptop. Moving on at number 4, we have Stalwart Household Hand Tools. The Stalwart Household Hand as Tools is named after its core uses. If you are looking for a home repair kit with all the tools needed for home repair, then the Stalwart is your best bet. It is fitted with 130-piece hand tools that come in handy for your repairs. This package includes a hammer, pliers, spanners, level, and screwdrivers. Fixing a leaky faucet will be an easy task thanks to this toolkit. It's the perfect for any household and comes with nearly everything. At number 3, we have Stanley STM-T73795. The Stanley STM-T73795 is a 210-piece home repair kit designed to tackle just about anything. Its casing is made from a chrome vanadium alloy and will withstand the test of time. Tools meet ANSI and ISO standards, you are assured of the best quality. If you are looking for a home repair kit that will tackle just about anything, then this is the toolkit for you. It can be easily adapted for home, office, garage, and professional use. Tools are protected with a chrome polish and will outlast all its competition. Pretty much of the essential toolkits are included in this package. At number 2, we have BLACKDECKER LDX120PK Home Repair Kit. BLACKDECKER always puts great consideration to their clients' interests, and it's easy to see why the LDX120PK has a high rating. The LDX120PK kit includes 20-volt Li-ion drill, which is vital when undertaking DIY projects. An extra lithium-ion battery is also included and will hold its charge for up to 8 months. 66 hand tools, 11 clutch, a hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, and tape measure are included in this package. This kit will come in handy for you home repairs and will tackle nearly all problems thrown at it. The 11 clutch is important at preventing overdriving of screws, which could potentially damage your joints. BLACKDECKER has included some very vital tools that will help you master home repair. The LDX120PK is an ideal companion for home repairs. And finally at number 1. Faststar 102-piece Home Repair Toolkit. The Faststar 102-piece is a must-have a home repair kit. This kit includes wrenches, pliers, a hammer, tape measure, level, and many more tools. Faststar fitted 102 pieces, meaning you have a nearly everything home repair tool at your disposal. Faststar 102 scores highly thanks to its ergonomic design and brightly colored tools. All the tools include the casing is made from a chrome vanadium steel alloy. Tools are packaged in a compact casing which saves on storage space. Tools are designed with bright colors, making it easy to locate tools in dimly lit rooms. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.